Hey, what's up guys? So CES 2020 is coming to an end. Samsung has done pretty good. They kicked off the new year with their zero bezel TV, another killer TV with portrait capability, a robot ball that follows you around, and something scary, just a little bit scary, that is a neon artificial human project. Plus a whole bunch of laptops and phones, but that's not all. As usual, every year Samsung hosts a secret meeting for selective people, and that's where they reveal some of the most exciting stuff for the year. So according to the source, Samsung CEO DJ Ko has confirmed to the people in the meeting that Galaxy S flagship series of 2020 year will be called as Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. The whole flagship lineup is bigger and better than any of the lineup before, and the reason they changed the name is because it's a new decade, and that's just why they did it, pretty much. So it is pretty official coming from the CEO according to this source. Now additionally, if the word of the CEO doesn't make it official enough for you guys, folks at Let's Go Digital have further confirmed that S20 naming is official. They confirm it via their most reliable source and also from a worker working at Samsung Electronics. So it is confirmed that S20 family is coming with this name officially. Now, another exciting thing revealed in the interview is the Galaxy Fold 2's actual name. So apparently it's going to be called as Galaxy Bloom. Someone in the meeting managed to take this picture of the Galaxy Bloom and how it looks, which is pretty much how we saw it in the leaks. This picture is a bit blurry, but I have to say hats off to whoever this person is, because it takes some real bally to do something like that. Anyways, it's targeted towards women in their 20s. If you look at the Galaxy Bloom in its folded mid stage, you can see that it's kind of like that makeup thingy that girls use. I don't know, it definitely is exciting for men as well, especially when it's the first device to record 8K video. I'm not sure how true that statement is, considering this device is rumored to rock Snapdragon 855 processor from last year, but we'll see how that will go. The selfie camera is said to be 10 megapixel. Also, a huge good news for all of you. Recently, iUniverse said that Samsung might actually remove the 120Hz refresh rate option at a 2K display resolution. Instead, they will only give it on 1080p. And people just absolutely lost their goddamn mind. It's actually happening. iUniverse later confirmed that 120Hz at 2K resolution will still be there. But if you personally ask me, I use my Galaxy Note 10 and S10 on 1080p resolution at all times to get the maximum battery life. So for me, 1080p 120Hz is not a bad option. But on the flip side, it is nice to see Samsung giving us 2K 120Hz option as well for all the people who want to go extreme, but surely that will burn out more battery. So if you ask me, I'll definitely use the 1080p 120Hz mode on my Galaxy S20 Ultra in the future, because you really can't tell a huge difference between the 2K and 1080p mode. The dynamic OLED second generation will be better than ever, and it will push the boundaries even further. Also, during the CES, the CEO has confirmed that they have sold a lot of Galaxy Fold models. The numbers are said to be in between 400,000 to 500,000 units, which means that Samsung has made almost $1 billion in revenue with the Galaxy Fold sales, which also means that Samsung will definitely going to bring a proper second generation of the first Fold. We don't have any information on that yet, but Galaxy Bloom is said to be the next version of foldable devices. It's coming really soon, a little bit early than the S20 lineup. Hopefully we're going to see more information on its event. Maybe there will be a specific event, or it might just be announced alongside with the S20 lineup. We'll see in the coming days. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.